This is Southern Railway Passenger Marketing presenting the TPMS Ticketing Peripherals Management System, an in house project of our IT cell with no cost involved. 95% of the passenger revenue accrue through PRS and UTS earnings. To generate revenue, peripherals like thin client, routers, switches, modems need to work 24/7 by 365. We have a dedicated data center at Chennai. The network caters to the functioning of passenger reservation system, unreserved ticketing system, information displays, charting, ATVMs and COTVMs, etc. There are thousands of ticketing peripherals and datacom equipments involved in the process such as computers, chart printers, thin clients, converters, routers, modems, LAN extender, and the list goes on. In the current process, the physical issue of tickets is being done through clients and printers. Electronic equipments need periodical maintenance and are also bound to fail at any time. The details of the equipments and their failures are being recorded manually with information to UTS and PRS console for rectification. The console staff record the complaints and inform the agency involved in the rectification of the complaint. Station staff have to intimate the console as and when the equipment is rectified. Console staff update the rectification details along with the timings. The daily statement of the failures are being extracted and followed up by staff at CCMPM office. However, there are difficulties in the current process. The difficulties in customization, that is, tracing of date of purchase, installation, machine brand, date of supply to the station. There are also difficulties in the life cycle monitoring of the machine, that is, installation done at and at date, the frequency of complaints and the restoration of time, warranty and the AMC period, and the agency allocated for that. There are difficulties in generation of the reports based on vendor, machine, location, AMC, agencies. The MIS reports helps in the analysis for a clear decision making. TPMS. TPMS application is user-friendly web-based application. It can be used on both mobile and computer. It is entirely an in-house project and no vendor, contractor, outside agency was involved. No expenditure has been incurred to develop or maintain it. It captures data regarding availability of peripherals, equipments at each station, their failures or rectification is being proposed. The details of each and every individual equipment that is available at a station is entered. A user-friendly form will be provided where details of failures can be entered by a station staff themselves just by a few clicks. Console, on getting the complaint ticket number, will forward the same to the respective service agencies. Once the failure is rectified, the station staff will be informed about the date and time of rectification by email. They can also check the complaint history of the peripheral. On to the working procedure, the roles of super admin is that he can add, delete or edit a user, provide access level to the user. The headquarters admin can add, delete or edit a peripheral and can register complaint for all stations in Southern Railway, assigns the complaint to service agencies and can view and download the MIS reports. The division admin can register a complaint for the stations under his control and can view the MIS reports and also download the reports. The technician can view complaints assigned to him and can download the reports. The station in charge can add, delete or edit a peripheral and can register a complaint for his or her station and can view the MIS reports and can download the reports of the station. The advantages of the TPMS. It removes the need for the station staff to inform the console regarding the failure of equipments. The service agencies can be informed immediately after the failure across, thereby reducing the time lag. The service time can be monitored effectively since the details will be entered as and when the failure occurs and its rectification is done. The details of the peripherals available at a station and its condition, need for replacement can be monitored at division or the headquarters level. The time taken for rectification of a failure can be extracted easily, which hitherto had to be done manually. Overcoming the present difficulties, the customization can be done vendor-wise, supplier-wise, OEM-wise, station-wise, failure-wise, supervisor-wise, staff-wise, and the service engineer-wise. The life cycle of the machine is being tracked from date of purchase till the date of condemnation. Hence, there is a clean monitoring of the efficiency and the efficacy of the machine. The MIS reports can be generated in all possible parameters for the analysis and for decision making. The scalability of the app can be extended to all divisions, zones, departments of the Indian Railways, and all the tools and peripherals can be brought under this cover without any expenditure. Thank you.